Pampered Chef's tortilla soup mix is the perfect answer to a hearty, hot meal. First, you just open up the package and pour it in. It's so simple. Add some water and some broth. I really like using the Better Than Bouillon flavoring to make my own broth. Super affordable and super yummy. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes and then add whatever add-ins you'd like. We did some cooked chicken and a can of corn. Once you've let those all heat through, it's done. Time to serve it up. So fill a bowl full and then put your favorite toppings on. We chose some shredded cheese and a few tortilla chips and then a nice dollop of sour cream. You can see my little friend Sage there in the background, very interested in seeing what I was doing. This soup is delicious. It has really great ingredients. The seasonings are fabulous. It tastes like it's been simmering all day long, and it only takes about 20 minutes.